Good morning to all of you. Today we shall discuss about the basic coordinate geometry that used in the physics. Now we use right hand rectangular axis coordinate system for identify any point in space. This system consists of origin and another is axis. As you know that x dash, y and y dash both line to cut each other perpendicular. That cut point is generally taken at origin. That is, this is origin and its coordinates are 0 and 0. Now 0 and 0. Now if a point is known to be on the given line or in a particular direction, only one coordinate is necessary to identify its position. It means that if one point is given, then if we identify or move any direction, only one coordinate system here applied. But if it is in a plane like this is a plane. In this case, both axes, x-axis and y-axis. In this case, if it is in a plane, two coordinate system are required. That is xy plane. That is xy plane, because it has two coordinate system, and if it is in space, and just like this, here is a point, and to locate this point, first of all we identify our origin. Let us suppose that our origin situated at the corner of this room. This point identify where x-axis, y-axis and up direction z-axis. Here three coordinate system to apply here x, y and z. In this case, only one axis. Generally we take x-axis. In this case, if a point lies in a plane where we take two axes, x-axis and y-axis, and if the point lies in space, we take x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Origin is the fixed point which is convenient for us. As you know that for this we choose the point origin for convenience, and all measurements are taken with respect to this fixed point origin, and we take all the measurement with the fixed point origin. Now position of a point in plane. Let us suppose that this is a plane, and here this is x and x dash, this is y and y dash, y and y dash. Let us P is a point x and y. P is a point in xy plane, x and y This is the x-axis. Here we draw a line perpendicular to this, and with respect to this, so that this is the origin. Origin is coordinate 0, 0. And this distance x and this distance y. If we move in this direction, this is positive, and here this is negative. Upside this is positive, and downside this is negative. Now this is x and y. This distance is also x, and this distance y. This is also y. Now pxy, this distance x and this distance y. P the point. X coordinate is called abscissa. Here x coordinate is called x coordinate. Here x coordinate is called abscissa. Abscissa. X coordinate is called abscissa. And y coordinate is called ordinate. Is called ordinate. Here x coordinate is called abscissa and y coordinate is called ordinate. Now we take an example. Indicate the following points. Indicate the following points in xy plane. Following points: first 4, 5, second -3 to 4, third -5, -4, and fourth 2, -3. Here indicate the following points in xy plane. Here two coordinate system x and y. Now solution. Here we take x. This is x and x dash. This is y and this term y dash. Now this is origin. We indicate the point at the same distance. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we indicate this point 4 and 5, xy that is 4 and 5. Value of x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. 4 is positive here. 1, 2, 3, 4 this point, and y is equal to 5 of directions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 this here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 this here. We this point is 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 5. This is the point this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. We indicate the quadrants, numbering of quadrants in the anti-clock directions. That will be positive, and if we take in the clockwise directions, the counting will be negative. Here 4 and 5 these points, second points minus 3 and 2. Here this is the origin 0, 0, and we calculate that minus 3, that is plus here negative 1, 2, 3. This point is minus 3 and plus 2 of direction 1, 2. It means that this point and this is a what? This point is minus 3 and 2. This point is minus 3 and 2. Now third, minus 5 and minus 4. Here minus 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 5 here. And again negative minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this point here, and this is the here in downward directions. Now these points is minus 5. This is the minus 5 and minus 4 downward direction. Fourth, 2 and minus 3. 2 is positive, 1, 2, and minus 3, 1, 2, 3. This here, this point 1, 2, x, y, and x 1, 2, 2, and this is 1, 2, 3, minus 3. Thus, we indicate such type of point in this. Now, this is used in the physics, and in this day we study about the mathematics that is used in the physics, basic mathematics. Now we study the distance formula. Now distance formula. Distance between 2 points, the distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2, the distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by in xy plane. Given by t equal to under root x2 minus x1 का स्क्वायर प्लस y2 minus y1 का स्क्वायर, x1 minus x2 का स्क्वायर प्लस y1 minus y2 का स्क्वायर. Now in xyz plane, in xyz plane, distance between 2 points, distance between two points x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 t equal to under root x2 minus x1 का स्क्वायर प्लस y1 minus y2 का स्क्वायर प्लस y2 minus y1 का स्क्वायर प्लस z2 minus z1 का स्क्वायर. Here if we put x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1, no difference in our result. Now slope of line, now slope of line now slope of a line here, this is x and x dash, y and y dash, and p and q coordinate of p is equal to x1 y1 and q is equal to x2 and y2. Here p is equal to x1 y1, this is distance x1 and this is y1, and q is equal to x2 y2. x2, this distance is x2 here to here, and this distance y2. Then this is x2 minus x1 is equal to that is delta x, and y2 minus y1 equal to delta y and pq here. Then the slope of a line, that is PQ line joining 2 point P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. A line is denoted by M and given by that is here. This is a theta. This is a theta. And given by M equal to tan theta equal to perpendicular by base, and this is theta perpendicular by base, delta y by delta x, that y means y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is a slope of the line. Here theta is the angle made by the line. Theta is the angle made by the line with the positive direction of x. This is a positive direction and this is the negative direction. Now equation of motion by graph. Here let us suppose that a moving body at any time t1 its initial velocity u, and after time t at t2 its final velocity equal to v, so that produce acceleration A. Now I know that just slope of a line, slope of line equal to m, that is equal to tan theta. Tan theta equal to perpendicular P by B. This perpendicular P by B tan theta is this point. This is a perpendicular. This distance is A and this distance is U, so that this distance is equal to V minus U. Now, and this distance delta T. Now, here P, V minus U by delta T, tan theta, slope of line represented by the acceleration A, so that A equal to V minus U by delta T, simply represented by T by cross multiplication. V minus U equal to AT, that is V equal to U plus AT. This is the first equation of motion. Now, second equation, distance covered by the moving body. Distance covered by a moving body. Distance covered by a moving body is equal to area of this A, B, C, D, E. Area of A, B, C, D and A, B, C, D and E, and area equal to sum of parallel side half into sum of parallel side into distance between them. Distance between them, here 1 by 2 sum of parallel side. This is equal to U and this is equal to V. U plus V into this delta T, that is simply T. Now putting the value of V, U plus AT, here 1 by 2 into U and V equal to U plus AT into T. Now U and U, 2U plus AT, here half into T. Now this time here 1 by 2, here T, UT, 2 and 2 cancel, UT and here half plus UT plus half A and T square. UT plus half AT square is equal to is equal to UT plus half AT square. Now for the third equations, as we know that V equal to U plus AT. This is the first equations. Squaring both sides, v square is equal to u square plus 2uat plus a square t square. Now here u square plus 2a take common, 2a here ut plus 2 here, so that we write half, and at square v square equal to u square plus ut plus half at square. This is just 2as. This is the third equation of motions. Now we take some problem. Now here are some problem. First, calculate the distance between 2 points A 4 5 and B minus 3 6. Second problem, find the slope of the lines P 1 2 and Q 5 3. Third, calculate the distance between 2 points here x, y and z coordinate in a point situated in the space where x, y and z exist. Now solution. First, here calculate the distance between 2 points x and y. So that distance between AB equal to D. As we know that D equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now here distance between 2 points in AB equal to under root x1 y1 x1 and x2 y2. Here x2 is equal to minus 3 minus x1 minus 4 square plus y2 x2 y2 6 minus y1 5 square. Here minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 square plus 6 minus 5 1 square. This is 49 plus 1 under root 50. This can be written as 5 root 2. 5 root 2 unit. Now second problem, find the slope of the lines P and Q. Slope of the line P and Q, as you know that slope of line equal to m equal to tan theta. That is also equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here x1, x2 and y1, y2 are the coordinate of point. Putting this is P2 x1 y1 and x2 y2. x2 y2 x1 y1 here or y2 here. This is 3 minus 2 divided by x2 5 minus 1. Now it can be written as 5 minus, this is y2 here x1 y1 x2 y2 equal to 3 minus 2 divided by this 5 minus 1. this is 1 and this is equal to 4. So that slope of line equal to 1 by 4. Now, third problem. Calculate the distance between 2 points. These points have x, y, z coordinates so that this exists in the space. In this case, distance equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square plus z2 minus z1 square. Now putting the value of this x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, here x2 3 minus 0 square, y2 is equal to 3 or y1 is equal to minus 1, 3 minus and minus 1, z2 is equal to 13 minus 1, z1. Now 3 is 9, minus plus 3 1 4 16 plus 12 144, and this is 9 and 6 15 and 4 19 9 as 1 4 1 5 1 6 and here 1 169. This means that 13 units. So that calculate distance between this is 13 units. This is our answer. Now we write next problem. Now fourth question, calculate slope of line. Here slope of line equal to theta equal to tan theta